This is the best chai you've ever made.
Glad you like it, my dear.
Perfect.
How much for this fresh chicken?
For you, my friend, 500 rupees.
Perfect, I will take it. Look what I got for dinner tonight.
Oh, that is wonderful. Let's cook it right away. May the sun shine bright on your work today.
I'll be back by sunset, don't you worry. This sample should do it. We must protect the...
Let me give this a good stir. Now for some fresh onions. Perfect. Now we add the perfect blend of masala.
This is the best part of the day.
Yes, I really love being in the fields with you.
Let us enjoy this beautiful tea.
It is a beautiful day.
अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद ही हो तो मेरी वीडियो पर लाइक करें और मैं वीडियो पर कमेंट करें और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।
We must protect our village crops. Yes, we must work.
Here is the fresh milk for today, directly from the farm.
Wonderful, it looks very good.
See you tomorrow then.
Fresh chicken, just for you.
Looks very good, mother.
I must clean the courtyard before the guests arrive. Thank you so much for this.
You are very welcome.
Let's get this milk delivered.
Eat up, my big, beautiful friend.
First, we need to chop all of these fresh green herbs, and then we add a pinch of red chili. This will It is ready. Now we add the fresh herbs.
This year's harvest is truly a blessing. Hard work finally paid off. This year's harvest is truly blessed, my friends.
Yes, the hard work paid off.
Rice is almost ready.
This year's harvest is looking absolutely beautiful. It is going to be our best one yet. I am heading to the market. Do you need anything?
Just buy some fresh vegetables.
If you liked my video, then like my video
Comment on my video.
and subscribe to my channel.